To get Robinhood on MacBook, start by opening the App Store on your device. You can find the App Store in the Applications folder or by using the Spotlight search function. Once the App Store is open, click on the search bar at the top right corner of the window and type Robinhood. Select the Robinhood app from the search results, which should be the first result. Click on the Get button next to the Robinhood icon. Then click Install. You may be prompted to enter your Apple ID password to complete the installation. After the installation is complete, click on the Open button to launch the Robinhood app. If you already have a Robinhood account, you can log in by entering your email address and password. If you do not have a Robinhood account, you can create one by clicking on the Sign Up button and following the prompts to enter your personal and financial information. Once you are logged in, you can explore the various features of the Robinhood app, including buying and selling stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies, as well as tracking your portfolio and accessing educational resources. To ensure a smooth experience, make sure your MacBook meets the system requirements for the Robinhood app, which include macOS 11 or later and a 64-bit processor. It is also a good idea to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. You can do this by going to the Settings menu and selecting the Security option. By following these steps, you can easily get Robinhood on your MacBook and start using the app to manage your investments.